Hey yo, it's Chriso. How you going? I'm just up to the second stage now. I ducked out I did a bit of a bludge, ducked out for a sanger and that sort of thing while everything's drying. I've had the fan on. It's a nice warm day. It's about I don't know, 24, 25, so we're coming into summer. Everything dries fast, especially with a fan on. So yeah, let's hit it. Ow! But the second coat, it's cool because, like always with a second coat, same as painting, it's like, you know, it goes on easy peasy. Yeah, I had a nice sanger from the servo. Nah, a servo sandwich isn't too bad actually. It's freshly made. It's always important to do a second coat, people, because it catches any little thing that you've missed. Because it is quite easy to miss stuff. But with waterproofing, always be aware of what you're doing. But 9 times out of 10, a leaky shower will leak from here down, you know, 200 mil up, down. Nine times out of 10. So I'm being very careful and paying attention to what I'm doing, even though I'm talking to you people. Hey, you're worth talking to. Good people. You know why? Because you're learning something new, and it's always a special person. You're like, you never stop learning. I'm 67 and you're gonna say, oh, you old fart. Yeah, bloody oath, and proud of it too. But I'm still learning. I'll tell you that. I am. But you know, with the internet and everything, is way different to when I was a kid. Far out. Way different. Anyway, that was back then, and this is now. But the second coat is always very important, yes. See, there's a pinhole there, there's another one there, but when you do a second coat it takes it up. Ooh. I've told you about taps. I've told you about taps. Come on, what? I've told you that you can have a leak behind your wall without realising it, and people think that it's waterproof that's broken down. I've told you that one. That's why it gets sealed. That's the reason why it gets waterproofed around your taps. It's a biggie. Don't drag your bucket, always try and lift it. I'm doing that not only because my waterproof is fresh, even if it wasn't, you still be careful. But it's all pretty fresh at the moment, so yes, be careful. Okay, I'll come back to you when I'm rolling in. See you people, love you.